Now moving towards a big breaking news coming in related to this incident of OGWs only, overground workers. It seems that the PDP chief, Mehbooba Mufti, had made a big statement about an alleged OGW overground worker of Lashkar that you see on your screen, who was found dead in the river. And it is believed that PDP chief has now called this suspect as poor boy, and in fact has said that you cannot go around killing someone, giving them a name of OGW. She says that all Kashmiris are not terrorists, don't kill them in encounters. So there you see Mehbooba Mufti right now clearly stating that everybody is not an overground worker. Let's listen to what the PDP chief had to say.
जो बांडीपोरा में हादसा हुआ, बहुत गरीब है, उनके घर में खाने के लाले, बेचारा मिलिटेंट नहीं था। आप किसी को भी OGW का नाम देके उसको कत्ल करोगे क्या? कल जो आपने इम्तियाज को उधर मार दिया, वो भी बहुत गरीब है। जब तक आप उसकी इंक्वायरी करेगी, कम से कम इन फैमिलीज को कंपनसेशन मिलना चाहिए। ये मेरी गुजारिश है। बाकी आप मालिक।
Let's go across to India Today's Mir Farid on this issue right now. Mir, clearly we see the PDP chief there referring to the OGW suspect as poor boy and asking and demanding for compensation. Now, while the police also was trying to question the young boy, he seemed to have jumped into the waters. So the PDP chief's comment right now is raising many questions as to what about the investigation first.
Well, yes, it is a big political controversy now. One after the other leaders from valley-based parties are jumping into this and basically claiming that this is something that should not happen. OGW, of late, we've seen some encounters where police security forces have said that they killed was an overground worker. So saying that police and security agencies overall post-Pahalgam terror attack have started this situation where one after the other there have been encounters and people have been labelled as OGWs. Now in this particular case, we know that the police version is being very strongly disputed by the family, who say that he had nothing to do with the Lashkar. He was picked up and next they knew or they heard about him was that his dead body was found in the Vaishun Nala. Police have also released an footage, drone footage saying or showing how he jumped into the river. But this is not the first case in Pahalgam. Previously also 3 boys belonging to the Gujar community, their bodies were found from the same Vaishun Nala. So people have started to draw linkages. But the police say that he was an active OGW of the Lashkar. So they questioned him, he led them to a hideout and he tried to escape from there. Though there are politicians, the family were punching holes in the police version, and this is not the only case that is under the scanner. Mehbooba Mufti also referred to Bandipora, where Altaf Lali, an OGW, was picked up from the home, and next to the family heard was that he was killed in an encounter. Family there again leveling serious allegations of custodial death. So these 1 or 2 incidents have happened. They are under the scanner, though the police is saying that they were active OGWs. But political controversy where leaders like Mehbooba Mufti, various opposition parties, in fact, across party lines are coming out and demanding a judicial inquiry into the incident and a better SOP and more vigilance as far as the Lieutenant Governor's administration is concerned on this proactive approach of the security forces post the Pahalgam terror attack, where there are many operations, but then there have been some which have been found in the grey and are under the scanner.
Right, Mir, do stay on with us. We will try and explain to our viewers what exactly this issue is. As the Pahalgam terror probe was intensifying, there was a death of a 23-year-old man in Jammu and Kashmir's Kulgan district who allegedly drowned while escaping police custody, and that has sparked widespread outrage. You right now saw the PDP chief raising this issue of this young man only. He was a suspected Lashkar terrorist. His name was Imtiaz Ahmed, and he drowned after being taken into police custody. Now, police sources have claimed that Imtiaz confessed to having knowledge of a Lashkar hideout during questioning, and then he was then being taken there to the location that he had identified. Now, the police claims he jumped into a stream while attempting to escape. However, his family has alleged a custodial death. Now, J&K minister has also visited Imtiaz's family and has called for a judicial probe. And also now, as we heard, the PDP chief has also asked for compensation for this young man.
कुछ दिन पहले 2 दिन पहले इसको उठा के ले गए जो भी पार्टी थी, और फिर घर वाले भी गए किसी कैंप में था ये भी बाग, वहाँ पे उससे बात की है और उन्होंने कहा हम इसको छोड़ देंगे। लेकिन आज सुबह जब लोग उठे तो उनको इन्फॉर्म किया गया कि कोई डेड बॉडी जो है वो किसी नाले में है। तो मैं समझती हूँ कि ये बदकिस्मती की बात है, एक दहशत का माहौल जो है वो पैदा किया जा